Unlock the secrets of Blooket by learning how to wield the power of your browser's developer tools. This tutorial will guide you through the exciting world of using your browser's Inspect Element feature, allowing you to potentially tweak certain aspects of your Blooket experience. Remember, this is for educational purposes, and you should proceed with caution and an understanding of what you're doing. First, let's open up the developer tools. The most common way to do this is by right-clicking anywhere on the Blooket game page. Look for an option that says Inspect or Inspect Element. Once you click that, a new panel will appear, usually at the bottom or side of your screen. This is your developer console. We're going to focus on modifying things directly on the page. Now, find something you want to investigate in the game. You can often click and select specific items directly within the developer tools window that correspond to what you see on the screen. This is where the magic happens. While we won't be typing any commands directly in this script, this is the area where you would theoretically use specific browser console commands to interact with or change displayed elements. Think of it as a way to temporarily alter what you see on your screen. By understanding how these elements are structured, you can experiment with changing their appearance or properties. For example, you might be able to alter text, colors, or other visual aspects of the interface. It's crucial to reiterate that these changes are usually temporary and only affect your view if you refresh the page. Everything will revert to normal. Always proceed with caution and ensure you understand your actions before making any modifications. So dive in, explore your browser's capabilities, and see what you can discover within the world of Blooket. Remember, knowledge is power, but use it responsibly. Happy inspecting!